pullback, 160 points.
If you look at the 2 minute, it looks beautiful to reverse from here. Two wicks right off the EMA. Making it 3 right now if this doesn't push hard. How do you fucking... let me see. Ugh, do I do it? Do I switch to MNQ?
He's gonna change what he wants to do right before he gets a payout.
Well, just because it's the most fucking high volume day ever.
I know.
You're right. Stick with it. I'm gonna get wicked out. I'm gonna get wicked out.
Don't blame it on me now.
Oh, too late. I already have my scapegoat. I'm definitely keeping it though. You fucked me. You fucked me for the whole weekend. Now I'm gonna be standing here thinking about it all weekend as I lost money. Good morning, Tekkas. How are you today? Any trades? It's a very high volume day. And I've been debating on switching to micros for today, but Johnny convinced me that I shouldn't, so if I lose, it's his fault.
It's not what I said.
Yep, that's exactly what you said. You said you'll actually pay me the amount of money I should have got my payout if I lose. Doing great. No trades today, I don't think. Don't like trading farm payroll. I don't really know what that means. Like, I don't understand. When was NFP? 8:30? Yeah, 8:30. I just feel like after that, it's just the charts again, though. The only one I can understand, like, not trading is like when FOMC is going on, because it's such a long thing and the market can just go crazy forever, or when like Trump trades. But when it's just like news and numbers that come out, I feel like I'm fine taking trades. I think we go London, then dump again. London. Wow, you're calling a 600 point fucking bull run? I'm looking, yes. Oh. So not as crazy. I mean, you still got a fucking ways to go on the ES. It's a 200 point move. bold.
Tekis getting the yips from losing yesterday.
So Fridays, I don't know if will really move that much at all. Move that much, dude. We're moving. Opening range is freaking 200 points.
He's getting the yips.
Wow. He has one losing day, and you're trashing on him. Morning.
I'm just kidding, Tekis. That's only what Mike does after he is very close to a payout and loses. Then he gets the yips.
Can't even talk right now because my freaking mic's muted. My camera's off because my ma came downstairs, so I can't even rebuttal.
He just has to take it.
That was a cheap shot. He made fun of me while I couldn't speak. Oh,
Well, one I didn't know at the time.
Literally get shit on, Johnny. 2 years in, Johnny, and still no profits. You might have the yips. Oh my god, get fucking toasted.
Dude, I made 10K last month.
Oh my god, Tekis, get shit on.
February.
I don't know who to side with.
In February. I made 10K. Last month.
Donut.
I don't remember if I got one or part of that was like the first week of March. Been tough market conditions. I haven't been able to go on my 10-day streak heater.
Kids fucking making eggs.
I'm making eggs. I'm making a coffee.
Alright. Same thing.
Takes 2 seconds.
You already missed the perfect setup.
Sure I did.
We're coming up to the top of the 15-minute range, though. I didn't put in my title that I'm one, or that if a winning day equals a payout, because I think it jinxed me because I did that last time.
Did you?
Yeah, then I lost. So yesterday and today I didn't put anything.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
If I get a payout, like and subscribe.
Yeah, hit the thumbs up for me, chat. So
Comment. It helps the algorithm.
Oh, Lord. Coming right up to it.
I'm gonna clickbait the shit out of you. Because it helps the algorithm.
We got Powell speaking at 11:25 as well.
Well, that's before we...
After. Yeah.
Supposedly, Jess got a new job. She's a wedding planner now.
God, I wouldn't want that fucking lady planning anything. She got divorced before her own wedding.
Oh my god.
That might have been too harsh.
Well, that probably no doing over on just because my brother's a fucking shit. But
Christ.
that was quick. I'll give you that one. And then I was talking to my dad about it. I'm like, I literally don't get the concept of wedding. I think it's the dumbest thing ever.
You don't get what?
The concept of like having a wedding.
Oh. Yeah, it's just like whatever. The girl just wants a bigger wedding than her like best friend because they secretly hate each other. Like, that's what I'm pretty sure that's what weddings are for. Small wedding, big honeymoon. That's the way to do it, Tekkas. It literally,
it's
like, it makes no sense. It's like, let me spend 50 grand for everybody else to have a party, or we can do something small, then we can fucking travel for 2 months straight with the money we didn't blow on one night. And actually be with the person, you know, that you fucking married yourself to.
Yeah. Instead of just like walking around to everyone and
like,
be like,
"Oh, thanks
thank you for coming to my
Yeah.
party that I spent
Yeah.
fucking thousands of dollars on.
Yeah.
It's like,
Does seem a little crazy.
is that Bank of America on your stocks? BA? Or is that what's
It's Boeing.
Boeing?
Yeah, I started looking when like they had that whole. Whoa.
7%. Reddit's down to
Jesus
8%.
Christ.
Nvidia's down almost 5%.
I got a thing of resistance here. Jesus, they're gonna be like the lowest they've been since. Well, that's November 24, but before that, they're gonna be like the lowest they've been since October 2022.
Jeez, they've really fell. They're looking like a crypto.
Uh,
Down 50% almost.
yeah.
CMA? I figured that we would have to go up because we're so far down, but
That don't mean anything.
I know.
What was this gap? Do you have this gap on yours? 725 to 726 or whatever? 725.
725?
My screen is just missing a minute from 725. It doesn't have a 726 candle. It just has a 725 then 727.
Yeah, it's just a red candle.
Spoiler.
I'm sure it's spoiled so much. You didn't watch it fucking take another 100. 6. 71. You just spoiled the 200-point move to the downside.
The QQQ, we're trying to stay above the S3 pivot, and we got VWAP right there, and the EMA, this thing's going up. We're breaking out of the 15-minute. But I need a flag. Shoot up to like the 200s. god, even these stubby candles that look so small are all more than fucking 20 points. That's crazy. It is going to be a really quick trade.
This is gonna be one that you click, and it fills you.
Yeah, you either feel like an idiot or you feel like a genius. There's no other way. It's like you're either gonna click and it's gonna go instant enter, and you're gonna, well, that was fun, or it's gonna go right to your TV, and you're gonna go, all right, I am the market maker. Assuming we get an entry sometime ever. Oh, ocean man, take me by the hand, lead me to the land, till you understand. Oh, ocean man.
That song was better when I didn't actually.
When I was singing it, yeah, thank you. I am.
No, the guy's
have an
voice
angelic voice.
fucking terrible.
Ooh, look at that. It'd be working. It'd be close. Would have filled me. I should literally just set this for 2R. It's gotta be the easiest days to have an $800 day. 40 points comes and goes in a second. I didn't bring it up. Oh, please, just give me one setup. Just give me one. I beg.
Kinda had a short setup there, but
What, like the really big one?
yeah.
Yeah, I drew that.
You drew it. Yeah, I said you drew it.
But, and like technically it's what I want. Like it comes down, makes its second touch point, comes up, sweeps out the other high, whatever. But it's just on such a big scale that I'm like, I don't fucking know.
Yeah. EMA seems kind of irrelevant today.
Because regardless of how big the range, we're just kind of chopping. So
Yeah, we are.
big chop.
Where's all the chatters at?
I have none. They probably are trading today. It's NFP, and I also started late, so they maybe already. I heard that. Maybe they already clicked on.
Heard what?
You fat.
I put my cup down on my desk.
Wow, we fought it twice. Might as well do my blackjack.
Shit, I messed up all my days. I was
13 out of 6. Perfect. Oh no, it says I want insurance. No insurance. Hit. 16 out of 7. 26. Sick. 14. Hit. 20.
Nice.
Oh my god, I thought I was getting fucked.
Cool. You activated. Fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked.
Oh, baby. Oh. Alright, we made a buck. We made a buck.
Double. Alright, let's see how I do. 50 cents. Oh. Okay, first hand dub. Second hand push. God. Oh my god, it started bad. Oh, it started bad. Okay, we're back up to $1. Okay, $1.50. Come on, let's get to $2. Dude, I have 2 10s on an 8, 3, 10, 21. It's outrageous.
Oh. You trying to break the 50-minute?
Okay, I'm at $2.
Me too. I took a break. I gotta let the good juju build back up. It looks like Tekka's analysis was a little wrong. I don't know where we go. Jesus. That was the most perfect flag break ever.
Did you get it in there?
No, unlike that big one that we drew.
Oh, yeah.
Just rip a fat, even to bottom, even to the 15-minute range. Just rip a quick 100-point trade. Take you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. Take me by the hand, lead me to the land. Please, I beg.
What?
For a setup. Or we're just gonna fall forever. God, we've literally just been dumping since February.
We're in the 20,000s. We're back to the 17,000s.
We're at 23 or 22,000, yeah. And then basically. Jesus. We're touching the low from August. Could this start to be forming something? Could this be the very beginning? Alright. Another blackjack hand. Ten out of 10? 12 out of 10? 22 out of 10. That feels bad. Dude. Did you see that?
Oh.
He shows a 6. I have a 19. I have a 6. He has a 19. He flips 5-10. That's so gay. Oh, nice. I love a 200 point push down, and the biggest fucking push up is 36 points. It's awesome. We actually could get to the 5% rule again today. The Russell's at it. You can't trade the Russell.
Really?
It's down 5%.
Did you see like some people would have blown their account for My Footed Futures, but they're like waiving it?
I mean, I wouldn't like. It's good of them to waive it, I guess, but at the same time, it's in their rules, and they fucking sent out a whole disclaimer thing for it. Like, people are just retarded. Even I saw something, I can't remember if it was in the My Footed Futures chat or in like Koo's chat. Someone was like, "Can someone explain this 5% rule? I don't feel like reading anything." I'm like, dude, how are you an adult, like, trying to, like, make this your living, and you can't be bothered to sit there and read 2 paragraphs? You want somebody else to come in and summarize it. Yeah, here we go. It was in Koo's chat. Someone can explain me the new rule with a summary. I don't want to read everything. That's what he said.
The level for it is 1770 or 17741. So you got quite a bit.
Is that what it is?
I just asked that My Footed Futures mod, and he said, because he said someone asked about the ES, and he said the price is looking like it's gonna be 51,000 or 5,100 something.
Yeah. Wait, what did you say it was gonna be?
5161. It's
like
17,741.72.
Yeah, okay. I was right around there. I just kind of did an estimation. It was 748.
So if we go down to my, like...
Right. Basically, if it sweeps out London lows. Or, like, pre-market lows.
Yeah, if it breaks that low, just stop.
Yeah.
Oh. Backtest trader. Or trader backtest calling you a faggot.
What? Oh, welcome. 714 on my Footed Future account today. Good shit. That means you took a 1 contract. That is how many points?
About
20. That's like 37
points. Or 36 points.
What an idiot. What did you say the first time?
I said 16. I meant to say 36.
Good. I haven't taken a trade yet. I need one more trade to get a payout.
He's getting the yips.
No, I'm not getting the yips. I'm just fucking getting antsy. I'm gonna enter for no reason. Because that's what you're supposed to do when you're a responsible trader, right? Even though I sat here all yesterday and didn't take a trade either.
Getting the yips.
Yeah, I'm freaking out.
He's panicking.
Statistically, even if my strategy was only 50-50, I should win this trade. Because last time, I was about to get my payout, I lost. 49 points? Holy slippage. What is the slippage?
Dude, you would have lost like $200 in slippage.
Wait a minute, 49.
Did you trade? Well,
Oh,
okay.
he's trading micros. He must have traded micros, yeah.
How many contracts? And are you trading the Nasdaq? Or are you trading the ES?
That's also a good point. This we could be just there's no shot he got 49 points in the ES.
Have you seen today?
Yeah, but the ES I think is like 1/10 of it. Actually, no, never mind. It's possible. You'd have to catch a big portion of the move though. I need like something like this, something to come down here, touch this, come back up.
How many contracts?
9:50 a.m. on NMQ or MNQ. What is 9:50 looking like? I don't know, but you said some chop.
Yep.
Whichever way you were going for. Maybe a long. Maybe you got in it right at the close of the 9:45 candle.
Yeah, maybe.
Actually, no, because 40 points is like nothing. Or what did he say? 49 points?
It's the final target. Yep. How many contracts did you have of MNQ? Like total.
Yep, that candle. Yeah. What, you get in right at the candle close at 9:49? I drew a little flag here. And that would have filled me. I drew that, and then once that popped up.
Okay, that makes it. That makes a little bit more sense.
8 MNQ, yeah. It checks out. You're not lying to us. Have you gotten a payout with My Fun Futures yet or no? I know you said you were just switching over from like cash accounts to prop firms.
Do you have the starter account too?
Oh yeah, what plan do you have? I would assume a starter account if he's just testing it, and it's like the easiest one. Nope, not on My Fun Futures yet. Are you close? Or like was this in the eval stage or was this starter account? Yeah.
Starter account.
They're the easiest ones.
Get like $1,800 in your account. What's the payout?
Yeah, something like that. Funded account, nice. Yeah, now you have to make more money. Like, I don't know if you were trying to flip the accounts or not, but since you made that the consistency rule, you now need to make more than you possibly needed to before, which is fine. I did the same thing. My accounts are at,
it is better.
My accounts are at 51,800, and technically you can take out 1,200 as soon as you get there, but not if you break the consistency rule.
Oh, so you could get a good payout from all your My Fun Futures.
Me?
Today. Yeah.
Yeah, I could get 3,600 from them and like
I thought you
2,400
were just
from
saying
4
500
Apex.
from your Apexes.
No. Yep, just aiming to get 3.2K. So you want to take out and have a $2,000 buffer?
Oh, that's a big buffer.
I'm a lot less lenient, or like I'm looking for a lot less of a buffer with My Fun Futures. My Fun Futures is like the quick money account for us. I feel like we just try to flip them.
Yeah, I just want to get to 52,000 and then be able to withdraw 1,200 and then have $800 of drawdown.
Right. If we lose 2 trades, it's over, so what?
Because they're so easy to get more. There's just such a great account to just flip, honestly.
Yeah, and like you spend $300, you can get 3,600. Or I don't know if you have one account or 3 accounts, but if you get 3 accounts, it's like you spend $300, you get 3,600. You can flip that in a couple weeks, and then you can take all that and then turn it into like 20 Apex accounts if you want. And then you're
That's
really levered up.
And then, I mean, granted, I blew all my 20 Apex accounts, but like, you definitely could do it.
Yeah. It's just like a cost-free way to get 20 Apex accounts.
That's my goal to do right now again.
Yeah. Did you get in on that?
No, I'm waiting for a double push or a double mark. High volume. Don't want to just jump it. I was thinking about getting in on that 50-minute.
If you look at like the 2-minute too, it's like a nice like basically tap off the EMA. The EMA. Oh, for fuck's sake, this lady.
Oh, it's leather?
It's all gone. I lost it all. Like $3.
It's alright. I did the same thing. Are you done for
Nice.
the day, trader backtest, or no? Like, is that it? One trade and done, I'm assuming? Or are you trading other accounts now? Or cash account or something? Oh, yep. Done. One and done. It seems like everybody
so.
who makes money follows the same rules. Isn't that funny? For like the most part. It's like, oh, we don't overtrade, we don't do this. Everyone who makes money is like, oh, I took one trade today, it won, or I took one trade or two trades today. Like,
I literally don't even understand how people take like 20, 30, 40 trades in a day.
it doesn't make any sense.
Like, I just can't even imagine. Because I'm like, I take like one trade, I'm like,
I'm burnt.
fucking mentally checked out.
Yeah, literally. I'm like, oh my god, that was mentally draining. Like, those people must get out of like their chair and be like, I need a 4 hour nap because literally, I'm in the trade for fucking. I get in one trade, I'm in for 20 seconds, and I'm like, oh my god, my mental
They must-
capacity.
They must just sitting there panicking the whole time, be like, bye.
They must be.
Fucking did it, man. Sell now.
Well, like, it makes
Okay,
sense
it
in the
hit.
very beginning where you're like, all right, oh, this looks good, and then like you would think you would start to make like some criteria of like, oh man, I feel like I keep losing these, or like I don't want to do this anymore because I feel like this, like, and then you cut down. That's what like we kept doing. It's just like I'm like, oh, I see flags and bounces all the time, and then you're like, all right, I'm not playing bounces anymore. I'm just playing breakouts, and then like you do flags, you're like, actually, bye. And then you're just like, all right, I'm not doing flags like this,
Like,
or
the
I gotta be more
absolute-
specific.
The absolute maximum amount of trades I can take is 3 in a day.
What did he say? 2 losses done for the day, 1 win done for the day, 2 small wins done for the day, plus 5 R to, yeah, plus 2, like, plus 0.5 Rs. Yeah. Yeah, I'm allowing myself 2 losers now, so if I go down, because statistically, I win anywhere from like 65 to like 72% of the time or something like that. And so sometimes it's like, I take a trade and I lose, and I'm like, well, I'm done, and then I end on a losing day, and then statistically, the next trade I take, if I follow my rules, which I always fucking do, the next trade would be a green trade. So then, like, I kind of look back and was like, all right, I think I should be allow myself to take another trade because that way I can kind of erase some of my red days. But yeah, same thing. Like winners, I'm only allowing myself like one. Like if I make an R, I'm basically done. Sometimes I try to go for 2 R if there's like a perfect setup, but a lot of times it's just like one. Like today, since especially if I get a win, it's a payout. If I enter a trade and win, I'm fucking done.
And then it's
But these people, they try to make $1 million in one day, and then they also, like, they try to make a shit ton of money, and then they try to trade fucking 50 times, and then they try to do the same thing the next day. I don't understand it.
that's why I say 3 trades is max, because I'm either gonna win 2 trades or lose 2 trades in either direction immediately.
Yeah.
And then if I win and then I lose and I break even on the day, I'm only taking one more trade after that, and it's gonna be 1 R up or 1 R down,
Yeah.
or even if it's break even, I'm still not taking another like.
Yeah. That's
Like,
the
that's
thing
it.
too. Like break it. Like I'll take maybe a break even and then win, or like realistically, if I'm up and take a losing trade, I'm probably gonna be done after that and be just sit there with even.
Yep.
But facts, data backed. Some months I have 45% win rate. Some months 80%. April is the best month of every year. I average per annual around 65% win rate. Just dislikes for the algo.
I don't
even
believe
know-
the months matter.
That's the thing. I just don't believe it. I think it's like, oh, it's just coincidence. I really think it's coincidence when people are like, oh, like I did really good in like the summer last year, or spring, or Q2 was really good, and Q3 is bad
only
for
month
me.
I think that is actually bad
It's
is
like
December, and it's
yeah,
just,
from like the holidays and shit.
that's the only reason, because the holidays are such a big like. This past December,
The market was choppy
like-
for like 2 weeks.
dude,
straight.
it was so bad. I think I took like I had like 4 trading days just because the market was so ass
Yeah,
in like 2 weeks.
and I don't believe it really in change of market conditions. Like I just believe in change in volume. Like today, like That's the only thing that's different. Like regardless, the fucking market goes up and down. Like it
But
doesn't
it's
matter. It just like depends on the volume. That's the only difference. That's like the only time market conditions I think are changed.
I just don't know how people like. It's like so many things go into every single year. It's like one, we don't even have the same president right now, so
Yeah,
you're basing your last April of this April with two different presidents that are affecting the market completely different. It's like
that's the thing. It just seems too random, and people try to like put a rhyme or reason to something. Like even I went back and did like a month of back testing from like 2022, and that was like the first time I'd ever back tested, and I had the same exact stats that I have normally, and I'm like, is that a coincidence? And it was just a random month. I literally scrolled through, and that would be like considered different market conditions and different this. The charts looked fucking the same. It was just a little bit smaller size because obviously the Nasdaq wasn't at like 20,000. It was at like whatever it was, 15K maybe or something like that in 2022. But do a back testing stream. You spin the wheel so it's random and you can't cheat. How would you cheat in back testing?
you can see what it does before.
What? So fucking go through, write down everything, and then fucking. I don't even claim to be profitable. Why would I do that? I show everybody me fucking losing. I write it in the title afterwards if I won or lost.
Yeah, pre-planned for the stream. I guarantee you some people would do that, but we don't care enough. This kid doesn't even want to tell people to like and subscribe. I don't think he's gonna lie about backtesting.
Yeah, I don't really care. Like I'm not like everybody. You watch so many of these, especially like small creators or whatever and stuff like that. I don't even know if I'm considered a fucking creator, but like you sit there and watch, and they all seem way too in it for the YouTube stuff. They're like, oh, I want to do this, and I just kind of do it just for shits and giggles. No, bro, just a vid idea. Not saying you capping. Yeah, no, I know, but like so many people do it. Like they get into it and they wanna. All of a sudden
This
they're
is
like, oh, I
literally
want to
gonna
open my
not hit
Discord,
50%.
and I want to. I know we're getting close. They're like, oh, I want to open my Discord, and I want to do this, and oh, I don't want to stream. Like some kids, like, oh, I don't want to stream because it hurts like the algorithm and stuff like that. And I don't know. I don't care about the YouTube stuff. I just want to become a good trader.
Look at Boeing and Reddit. They're down 11% and 10% now.
Wow, Reddit's been absolutely fucking dumping. Look
Even
at Reddit.
oil.
Look at
oil.
Reddit's fall right now. From 230. Imagine you bought on this day. You literally must think the market hates you. You're like, you know what? I'm finally getting in. I read it, and then it's just like 220, and then literally, how many days is this?
Like a month and a half.
Literally 53 days. You're like, and we lost
At
it all.
66%.
we lost it all.
Well, that's like 70%, I think.
That's 62%.
Oh, I was right.
we lost it all. I don't know. Tekris was here earlier, and I don't know where Tyrone is. I think Tyrone's like suicidal or something because he doesn't know how to trade.
He says he's somehow it's only, is it April 4th?
Yeah. He already blew
Somehow
his
it's
account.
only April 4th and he already blew his account for the month, so he can't trade for another month.
I don't know if that's true, but it very well could be.
Uh, he blew his cash account too. He doesn't even do prop firms.
Yeah, that's what he does. He's like, I loaded in like $250, and then when I blow it, I'm done for the rest of the month. I'm like, I don't know how viable of a strategy that is, but
No.
okay.
Dude, we put $250. Especially you. I'm here to. Tank is. You taking any more trades?
Just made
Just made
6K.
Bro, what do you mean? Are you talking about like you just made 6K in payouts, or did you actually just make 6K in the market?
I don't know. I didn't trade. So you're. Wait.
No.
So did you get a
I
6K payout? Yeah. Or you're
I
just
think he's
lying.
just capping. He's just capping.
I was like, there's no way. The sad part is like you could believe it because the market's so fucking movie. God, I'm trading this shit. This it's gonna be the second day in a row with literally no setups. We're getting close to 5%. Trade, mate. What's going on? Take any flags today or no? Mike, are you pure white blood? Or do you have slightly less rights? No, I'm pure white blood, so I do have slightly less rights.
Dude, literally, who are these Democrats? I swear everyone I
think
talk
he's
to
joking.
No, but I'm just saying, like, I swear everyone I talk to just thinks the same. Maybe it's just because the space I'm in.
What do you mean?
Or, like, in, like, gaming and,
No.
I guess, just being online.
I'm always online. No, I'm pure white. I got some Italian in me if that counts, but nope.
Everyone else is just too busy freaking going to gay parades.
What are you talking about?
I don't know.
Johnny heavy in politics?
I keep up to date.
Did good today. PA win on that breakout at 9:53. Then two eval wins, 9:57 and 10:28. Wow, he's ripping trades today. Let's see. What did you say? 9:53 for the first one. Oh, I was. Wait. What did you take this push up? I drew a line there. I just didn't take it. I didn't like it. And then 9:57. What, this flag? Is that a flag? I don't know. I don't know what your criteria is for flags. What you got it on that push up, and then 10:28. Yeah, that. Okay, so it was that, and then 10:28. What on this? On the break of this or something? Got in like here, 10:27, 10:28. Johnny spit facts about Jews. Good guy. Johnny for sure has a Confederate flag in his room. I'm trying to find out what signals.
No, I don't have a Confederate flag.
I need two highs or lows as my flags. I got you. Yeah, Johnny is the definition of a Nazi.
I mean, I do like Hitler. I wouldn't say I'm a Nazi.
Just a big fan.
I do think if you're a German in that time, why wouldn't you like him?
It is true. W. Painter. Austrian painter.
He did great things. See, everyone loves Hitler.
Yeah. Monumental run from Hitler.
If he just didn't get so greedy and freaking wait for the Luftwaffe to come in, he would have won the war.
Yeah, I got too caught up.
With the whole show.
You guys take anything today? No, I mean, I didn't know what there was to take really. There's no flags that I like. I like a two touch point flag, and we didn't really get any of those.
Is he really born on
Maybe
420?
this. Was he born on 420?
What are we gonna do to celebrate?
Another reason. I don't smoke weed, but it's another reason. He's the GOAT. It just keeps doing this, trade mate. It just fucking pushes. If it does push up, it just runs right through it. There's no fucking second touch point. And we're not even getting close to the EMA for the most part. It's just been fucking dumping. Like, you might as well short because you know we're sweeping out London lows at this point. We didn't come all the way down here to not sweep out London lows.
Yeah, maybe no trade just because we're not gonna be allowed to trade.
Yeah, I mean it's already 1040. It's still got to move down over 100 points for us to not be able to trade. Only day I will smoke weed now, not for 420, but for the painter.
I literally just can't smoke weed. I turn into a straight retard when I do so.
I just hate myself immediately. I smoke weed and I'm like, dude, what am I doing? Why am I such a loser? Like, I just feel like a loser immediately. I've only done it like a handful of times, but God, like I don't know how people do it and they feel good about themselves. They're like, oh man, everything's better. I sit there and I'm like, dude, what am I doing?
Well, I literally like can't move or talk when I smoke weed, so
It's not even that. That's only if I like fucking take bong rips.
dude, that's literally when I smoke
Yeah.
fucking a quarter of a joint.
Oh
Like,
really?
I'm a bitch. Yeah, I'm a bitch with it.
Oh. Even if I smoke regular, I just am like, why do I need to feel this? Like I just don't understand why people need to feel like that. Like
Dude, I took
it
two-
feels fine. I just am like, all right, what am I doing? I'm completely ruined all my youth brain cells. Yeah, like I feel like it just makes most people like unmotivated and lazy and like content with where they are. It's like if I get paranoid and then exercise. The last thing I want to do is exercise.
The
It
first
feels
time
good,
I've
just
ever seen
fun
this guy
vibes.
talk, and he's just like, I get paranoid and exercise. That's just funny.
It feels I don't know. I don't get fun vibes like especially when I like took bong rips. I literally would sit there
Especially
and like
'cause
I
I've
just zone out so hard and like the only thing I'd be saying I'd be like don't zone out, and then I'd just be like zoning back in from zoning out and I'd be like fuck I zoned out like I can't just like sit
We're also
there and
just
enjoy
not
it.
fun people.
Yeah, that's true. Used to feel good, now pure paranoia.
I took 2 edibles at the airport when I was coming home from Disney, and I was with my friend's parent. Like my friend's parents went. It was actually Jack's parents, and literally I was just staring out the window for an hour and I couldn't talk or move, and they were terrified. They thought I was gonna like die.
Difference between every day and once in a while. Yeah, I guess that's true. That's what I feel about like drinking. I'm just like, all right, I guess every once in a while I could,
Yeah.
but
Do you do it like
weed, I'm just like,
every once in a while?
I never have a desire. Like, I don't really have a desire to do both either, but I'll drink
I do
just for
think
like
it
the social
kind of makes
setting.
you
Drinking is
well.
awful. Yeah, I just do it more for like the social setting. We'll partake a bit tonight though. Path of Exile 2 time. Is that a game, Johnny?
Yes, it's the game.
I knew it. I knew you would know.
Sorry, I'm cultured.
That's the thing, like you can't just sit there and play the game though. I don't understand. Like that's what I don't get. I'm like just
Is
content.
that game fun? I've seen the skill tree of it, and I'm like, I'm never touching this game. Like,
Uh,
like I think there's like literally like 500 perk points or something like that.
yeah, no, I can't read in games. I don't care. I just skip through everything, never learn anything, and then just ruin my experience of the game. Dude, this sucks. I
It's a lava cool. Oh yeah, very nerdy. Yeah, it seems very nerdy. And
thought I
like
should've
I'm
just fucking showed this.
I'm a nerd, but like I looked at it, I'm like, dude, I haven't even played this game, and the skill tree's already overwhelming me. Shit's crazy.
Bruh, I was really hoping to get a trade in today. Oh, I've been ripping no trade days lately.
He's getting the yips.
The yips. I just haven't had a fucking setup. Not as bad as Path of Exile 1. Way more beginner friendly. You'd think it would be the opposite. Well, Tekkas, I hate to say it, but when you said you think we could go get London highs, that was probably around here. I think you were wrong by 260 points. Enter short of tie signal. Yeah.
And just to let you guys know, this is coming within like 40 points of the 5% rule, so you may not even be able to trade your prop firms anymore.
Yeah, be careful. I think if it gets to this guy here. There's London. This sucks.
That's crazy. We've dipped 5% 2 days in a row.
Yep.
Everyone must be losing their 401ks. How many people do you think are just panic selling?
A lot.
Even though I heard that the whole reason, I saw someone talking about this, and he said the whole reason behind Trump's tariffs is to hopefully dump the markets and then literally like buy low and just like and then do shit to raise them back up and just help the national debt.
Let's see.
I forget who did it. I think it was Reagan the one who was Reagan in a war?
Yeah, that's a crazy daily visual right here.
Because I remember like one of the presidents, they like bought the country's currency that they went to war in, and then they like paid for the war completely off of it.
I have no idea.
Because they were at war and their currency like fucking dropped.
Nothing like it absolutely dumping for 2 days in a row, and I'm a trained trader, and I haven't taken a trade because I'm not getting my setup still.
And how much did it drop today? Fucking 900 points.
Yeah, literally. From open though, 450, 440. Yeah, we're about to not be able to trade. 4.92%.
Yeah, I wouldn't even risk it, no.
Unless we have a pullback right here. Make a flag.
Yeah, but then what would you be would you be trying to get along here?
No.
Exactly. You would only be going short if you broke
Yeah,
that
but
low.
if you had a pullback right here, rip a short, you'd still be fine.
I guess. Barely. Not that close.
Alright. This stupid guy again. Welcome back, Music Madness. How you doing, you big fat pussy?
Whoa. Must not like this guy.
No, he's a faggot. He called me like a scammer for something, or I don't even know.
This stupid guy again?
Yeah, that's what he said to me. I want to see what he has to say.
Make me mod, I'll ban him. We only take positivity here.
Yeah.
I don't want any negative comments. I don't want anyone disliking my videos because that's unfair.
It's gonna hurt my feelings. We're about to get an alert from Life Under Futures. Mike is ITT's son. Yeah, yeah. I'm his rebellious son who doesn't trade his strategy. Bro thought flags were ICT, lame-o. Oh, there you go, 5%. Alright.
Waiting for the Life Under Futures
Yep.
notification.
Ugh. We're gonna fucking halt today.
Halting on the Nasdaq is crazy, like, or any index is crazy.
Yeah. What are we at? We're at 5%.
Like I've seen plenty of halts when I was trading stocks, and then like news would come out on something and it would just absolutely dump, and then or like moon, and then it halted.
Okay, this is about where we are. Halting would be at like the 360s around there.
What's a level to hold?
Like
The percentage?
360s. 7%. 360s. Very funny guy. This guy has a Discord to let you know. Yeah, I have a Discord with me, Johnny, and Jack in it, if that's the Discord you're talking about. So I can sit there and carry them in Siege.
Very funny, guys. This guy's let you, okay? Let you know what?
I don't know. He's actually retarded. We're hitting that limit for sure.
Is he just like rage baiting?
What a whack Friday. Yeah, he's rage baiting. Time to enjoy the weekend now. Yep, I guess it is.
Season it up this weekend? Dude, we've been grinding.
Yeah, we've been grinding. Didn't even know about the 5% rule till yesterday. Me either. I didn't even know it was a thing. I don't know if it's like, is it brokers as well, or is it just prop firms?
No, it's just prop firms.
So like, if you were to trade a cash account on Tradeovate, you could still trade.
Yeah.
They just want to protect you in prop firms, or allegedly protect you. It's probably less about protect. It's probably more about protecting themselves, just in case like.
Obviously, it's about protecting themselves.
Because if someone's short the Nasdaq and it goes down fucking that shit, I mean, you have one micro. What's 1 mini? What's 900 points on 1 mini? 900.
I mean, everything's to protect their own business. That's why there's consistency rules and everything.
Yeah, it's if you were. Oh, I just forgot because I have dementia. What did I say? 900 points times 4 times 5. Yeah, it's 18K on one contract if you just held a short all day today.
That's exactly why, like, 500 futures only lets you take 6K in payouts max.
Yeah.
Like, they don't transfer your funds, so a lot of people would just sit there YOLO and then transfer a shit ton of funds and just flip for months. Like,
told you buy the 5%. The 5% limit was way down here, or way here. This is the 5%, so I already would have been. Oh, there's your My Fund of Future, with the market approaching nearly 5%. Let's see, what did he say? No, it's not to remind you of our 2% limit rule. Anytime equities reach 5% of movement, either up or down, kindly take caution training as we close accounts do not follow this rule. This is a market volume.
Didn't we already hit it though?
Yeah. 17,741, they're saying. 741. Yeah, we already hit it.
Oh. Yeah. Maybe if we, I don't know, if we go above it, can they trade, or can they just not trade below it?
You just can't trade below it, so you could like get in now and go for a long, I think, or something. I don't know exactly how it works, but.
Can you raid again now? What? Fabio Mike related? I don't know what they're talking about.
I have no idea either. Big news week next week. Gonna be interesting. Can you trade again now? Yeah, I think you can trade again now. As long as you're above it. You can trade within 2%. Yeah, so as long as you stay above, as long as we stay above the 740s, you can trade.
I'm okay. It's just
what is the news next week? Yeah, I'm done. It's fucking 10:50 anyways. What is the news next week? Let's see. TradeMates have big news next week. Nothing Monday, nothing Tuesday. Oh, FOMC minutes on Wednesday, CPI on Thursday, PPI on Friday. Wow. There's ripping news.
Are we?
Yeah. Just one trade. I just need to take one trade for a payout. This sucks. I needed 20 points today. I couldn't find a 20-point trade today. I'm a phony. Honestly, the best flag of the day was at fucking 1040, even though there was like a wick that came below it. But if I just ignored the wick, That was like the only actual flag setup. Not really, but they're actually all bad. Because I would have fucking took them if they were good. I'm coping. Dude, Music Madness. what is wrong with you? Whoa. Hitler? How dare you call Hitler stupid? Oh, I forgot. This guy's a big Jew. I think he got mad because we were making fun of the Jews. Big old Jew. Hope Apex do 90% sale for CPI. We'll YOLO some. I only need 3 more accounts and I'll have my 20, so I want them to do like 80 or... Are they still only like 50% off right now? Yeah, we got no deals still. It's been like a week. 50% off, yeah. 50% off is terrible. You should never buy Apex unless they're 80% off or more. This is the best flag of the day. Gonna come up, sweep the highs. Come back for a short. Dude, that's 80. That's 20 points. Dude, this market is fucked. That little push up from the bottom is fucking 200 points.
Yeah, it's going crazy today.
Look at that little fucking P&L sheet. That's what I'm trying to make. I'm trying to make the fucking wick of this fucking... How many points is that candle? Of this 70-point candle. Alright, yeah. I'm not fucking taking anything. I'm gonna call it. Enjoy your weekend, people. If you're trading, remember, don't enter below this 40 level. Well, peace out.